Here, hold it. Claire Bear, hold it. Well, that's even better yet. Now you're getting some crumb action there.
Claire Bear, do you like your birthday cupcake?
Take a bite. Camera. Here, bite.
Claire hasn't figured out she can pick up the cupcake. She thinks she has to bend. She thinks she has to bend down to eat. He's a good baby. Num num. She keeps looking at Daddy for approval. Like, are you sure I can do this?
Daddy, help.
Next you go with cream.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. Uh-oh. Just about came out.
I'm done, Mommy.
Okay, you can go wash up.
Oh boy, now we smear it around.